Good morning, students. Did you have ever had an traveling experience like ship or cruise or boat in your life? Did you feel fear or happy at that moment? Today we are going to see this lesson Sindbad, My First Voyage, 7th Standard English Supplementary Reader, taken from Unit 1, Term 3, Samachir. Here we are going to see Sindbad the Sailor, the First Voyage. After dissipating the wealth left to him by his father, Sindbad goes to sea to repair his fortune. The 7 Voyages of Sindbad the Sailor. Sindbad, My First Voyage. Who was Sindbad? Sindbad was a sailor. The tale is about a merchant called Sindbad who lived during the Third Islamic Caliphate. The stories of Sindbad's adventures are filled with details of giant birds, sea monsters, whales, etc. He sets ashore on what appears to be an island, but this island proves to be a gigantic sleeping whale on which trees have taken root ever since the whale was young. Listen, students, but this island proves to be a gigantic sleeping whale. Awakened by a fire kindled by the sailors, the whale dives into the depths and the ship departs without Sindbad. And Sindbad is saved by the chance of a passing wooden trough sent by the grace of Allah. He is washed ashore on a densely wooden island. While exploring the deserted island, he comes across one of the king's grooms. The whale dives into the depths. When Sindbad helps save the king's mare from being drowned by a seahorse, not a seahorse as we know it, but a supernatural horse that lives underwater, the groom brings Sindbad to the king. The king befriends Sindbad, and so he rises in the king's favor and becomes a trusted courtier. One day, the very ship on which Sindbad set sail docks at the island, and he reclaims his goods still in the ship's hold. Sindbad gives the king his goods, and in return the king gives him rich presents. Sindbad sells these presents for a great profit. Sindbad returns to Baghdad. In Baghdad, where he resumes a life of ease and pleasure. With the ending of the tale, Sindbad the sailor makes Sindbad the porter a gift of 100 gold pieces and bids him return the next day to hear more about his adventures. Listen, students, let's see the book back exercise. First Roman, match the following. Column A, column E. See the first one, Green Island. Answer is huge fish. Second one, Mehrajan. Answer, the king. Sindbad the sailor. Answer, voyager. Sindbad the porter. Answer, poor listener. Slaves. The answer, in the cave. Roman letter B. Choose the correct options from the ones. First one, Sindbad decided to sail to the Persian Gulf with some goods. Question number 2. He was being tossed by powerful waves and was thrown on an island. Question number 3. The men in the cave were all slaves of the king. Question number 4. The king was a noble and kind person. Question number 5. The king gave many valuable. Roman letter D. Rearrange the following sentences in the correct order. You have to read the questions. Listen students, answers you have to write like this. No need to put the numbers only. You have to take the sentence and want to write it in correct order. See, my father was a rich merchant. Our group sailed from one country to another selling goods. I was being tossed by the frequent powerful waves. I narrated my tale of sufferings and hardships to the king. I longed to go back home. I saw the same ship approaching the port. Sindbad completed the tale of his voyage. He presented the purse full of gold coins. Listen students, let's see the worksheet. Choose the correct answer. First one, my father was a rich dash. Question number 2, I decided to sail from dash gulf with some goods. Question number 3, as soon as we lit the fire for cooking, we got a dash. Question number 4, we were when we realized this dash. Question number 5, I was one among those dash. Question number 6, at last I was thrown on dash. Question number 7, as I walked further in this dash land, I met a man. Question number 8, they saved me good dash and drink. Question number 9, during my stay, I witnessed a number of dash sights. Question number 10, finally, I returned to my city dash as a rich man. Options are given below. Baghdad, food, remarkable, an island, strange, strugglers, jerk, terrified, merchant, Persian.